Good morning and welcome to Bowtie Life. This is the Bowtie Gardens, where we talk mostly about gardening, sometimes about life. And I'm going to take a little bit of time just to do some maintenance. And I don't always come out here and video without me blabbing on about something, but this video I'm going to just work on pulling up some weeds. I still haven't done anything concerted like that since my trip. I was gone for 2 weeks, but yeah, it's definitely time to get some cleaning done. So here we go. Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. Well, there you have it. I ended my time. It was a little over an hour, but I ended up pulling a whole big mess of ivy out over by the orange trees, and then kind of got distracted by a little bit of harvest. I harvested about 2.5 pounds of goodies. Got orange bell, peri-peri. Oh, this is a peri-peri. No, it's this one. I don't know. One of these is a peri-peri, but it looks like a jalapeno. Orange cross. Look at all the Scotch bonnet here. I'm really excited about that. A few tomatoes and some Tabasco peppers. But yeah, so that's going to be my morning in the garden. And a little over an hour once I did all the harvest. But it's rejuvenating. It's something to get out there, exchange some biome, and get healthy with. It's very important for human health to have good biome, and the garden, there is no better biome than a healthy growing garden. So it's one of the reasons why I like it so much. But hey, if you're just stumbling along finding us, please subscribe. We talk mostly about gardening, sometimes about life. If you've already subscribed, huge thank you to the over 300 people that are subscribed at this point. And we are trying to grow to a point where we can be monetized. Those commercials that you see, we don't get any of that commercial money until we're monetized. And so we're trying to get to that point because that will help fund more projects in the garden. Please click the thumbs up and share on your social media. Big thing though, comment below. I want to hear what you're pulling, what kind of weeds you're pulling out of your garden. I know we have dollar weed. That's always a big one for us. I did a lot of ivy. I did several large plants of the Mexican rough clover. And leaf flower. That was another major one that I pulled out, was leaf flower. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, tell me what you're pulling out and where you're at, what state you're in or what country you're in. I'm always curious to find out some of the different things. Like for instance, the dollar weed here grows as a weed in the garden. I know in other places, dollar weed actually is an aquatic plant that grows in the water and then sticks up those leaves to stick up above the water. So that's why it's so good at reaching up above a plant and popping out a leaf somewhere. But yeah, that stuff fascinates me. So anyway, I'm not going to eat any of these right now, but I do have a pepper eating video coming up. I can feel it in me. I'm not sure which one. These peri peri are pretty hot. I don't know. Chili Chump did it. There's Scotch bonnet. I don't know. We'll have to see what ends up between my teeth. So stay tuned. Stay subscribed. Follow along. Have a blessed day.